Unleash the power of MRP Barrier Primer, your ultimate moisture solution for safeguarding your subfloors from contaminants resulting from chemical or mechanical abatement. This innovative product offers unmatched protection with the ability to shield up to against 99% relative humidity or 14 pounds of moisture vapor emissions per 1,000 square feet, and a pH level of 14. MRP Barrier Primer is a two-part water-based epoxy, not only provides robust protection, but also cures in just 6 hours, ensuring your project stays on track. Each 4-gallon kit covers an impressive 600 square feet, offering both convenience and value. What sets MRP Barrier Primer apart is its ability to provide moisture protection and its versatility in use, making it suitable for a variety of challenging surfaces. Upgrade your flooring prep with MRP Barrier Primer, the ideal choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking reliable and comprehensive protection for their subfloors. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a solid and secure foundation for your flooring projects.